Guys, welcome to another video, and on this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. So let's just get into it. So first, if you want to, you can pour this water, it's warm water, into your borax.
1/4 cup of borax and 4 ounces of warm water.
And then you're going to want to stir it with your fork. People call this activator. You can use contact lens solution for the for a good substitute for this. So if you don't know where to get borax, you can use contact lens solution. So you're gonna want to mix it up. Just leave it there until it's time. So next, you're gonna wanna
take a bottle of glue and empty it, which is already done, and then you fill the bottle up with warm water and pour it in.
Then you're gonna want to put your food coloring after you stir for a little while. You're gonna want to stir. Then you're gonna want to put in your food coloring, which I'm pretty sure is right to stir. Put your food coloring in already. So I am making purple, so that is blue and red. That's enough blue. Because last time I made it, it did fail. It was bad. It was not a good thing. And then you're going to want to stir it in. It'll make this really cool color, and then it'll turn into like lighter purple, which is what I want. Yep.
It already looks better than the last batch.
Yeah. Last batch, it was like all white and stuff. It was the warm water then. So you're going to want to stir it until it gets to the right thing. Then you're going to want to pour a little tiny bit at a time. So you're going to want to do that. Stir it in. You're going to want to...
It's already starting to work. So.
Do that. You're going to pour more at a time. And...
You'll take your fork and kind of mix up that little bit that's stuck there.
Get your whatever you're using. Get out all that borax. It looks like sugar. It's making me want like strawberry and sugar. That's a lot of borax.
Alright, now
and you're going to want to stir it. That is a lot of activator that we put in. So let's hope it works. It is looking pretty good. A good way to test it is to poke your finger on the top, and if it sticks to it, it's not ready. You're going to want to take that off whatever you're using. I can feel the borax in it.
Yeah, it's good. Looking better already.
Yep. So this is our slime tutorial. So I'm going to have to end the video right there. Leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and bye.